Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In the last video, we discussed about the introduction of the oligosaccharides, and we discussed about the basics all into it, and we looked into the very first structure that was maltose. Uh, in maltose, we looked into the condensation of the alpha glucose and alpha glucose forming maltose sugar, and uh, a glycosidic bond is formed between the carbohydrates, the you know carbohydrates or the monosaccharides. In today's video, looking into the next step and looking for the structure of, first of all, uh, we will look for the structure of lactose, then sucrose. First of all, looking into the lactose. Now lactose. Okay. So lactose is also oligosaccharide. Uh, Lactose is oligosaccharide, and it consists of beta glucose, beta glucose, beta glucose, glucose plus we've got another compound, both are beta, in this case beta galactose. Okay, so beta glucose and beta galactose combine to form the lactose, and these both are beta, so we get to know that the bond formed in between them is beta bond, beta beta glycosidic bond. I'm writing G dot S for glycosidic bond, GSP glycosidic bond. You need to understand like beta glycosidic bond is formed, and which atoms we can write beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. I will be making understand you later this thing, that how we make complete formulas. The complete formula of the atoms combined, all that. So first of all, let's look into the structure. We'll be making the ring structure of glucose and galactose. Both are hexose sugar, and they form of uh, hexagonal ring. And let me draw it over here, like over here, 6 corners this side. Yes, this one, here, here. Okay, so here I've made the one ring, and on the other side I'm making the other ring. But here, this is oxygen. Now it will combine over here, 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 over here to here. This is the both links. One of this, both are hexos. Let me consider uh, this is C1, and here would come, what will come here? Here, like here. On the C first, what is the arrangement? The arrangement is on C first is like OH and H. So OH is up, this is beta. So in beta case, we have discussed like OH comes upward side and H on downward, right? So on C2, what is the case? The case is quite simple. OH is on the right side, then will come down OH. And now remember this is a glucose. This is a beta glucose. We are making beta glucose. There's a change on C3. We discuss all these things in the previous video. To look into our series of biomolecules to understand the basics. Until you don't understand the basics, you won't be understand this all things. Again, the C3. Here is we have got a difference. The OH is on the left side, so OH will come up. This will come down. H will down. Now others will be quite similar. Right over here we have got OH up and H down. here we have got uh, one side H and second side CH2OH. CH2OH. Right, so I would need a minute. Okay, so I'm back. uh, Here this is the structure of glucose, beta glucose. Now we will looking into uh, picking for green color. Okay, so green color picking, this is the beta galactose, beta galactose. Galactose. Okay, now what will happen? The C first and C2, C3, C4 and C5, no, part C6. And this is galactose. We've got a difference of beta. First of all, OH will come up. This is beta structure. H over here. Now C2 is the same. H and OH. C3 is kind of different because I have told you in the previous video that the case of glucose appeared in all the cases. Glucose cases appeared in all the cases. We got a difference over here. OH and H. Now in the case of galactose, we have got a difference on C4 as well. The same would come here, OH and H. H and CH2OH. Now I have a question for you guys. Can you make a glycosidic bond over here? Like we have got OH and OH on the both sides. Can you make this bond? So the answer is no. You cannot make glycosidic bond over here. Why can you not make? Because the OH and H will be always in the upwards direction. These both are in the same direction. Like these both are in the same direction. This is not possible that a glycosidic bond forms between them, and there would be always a curvature. Now what will happen? You use your mind. We are combining the galactose and glucose. What you can do? You can do shuffling. The only thing you can do over here is shuffling. The galactose, the beta galactose will come first, and the beta glucose will come second. Then you need to check whether it's working or not. Uh, Let me introduce that. Uh, Copying this. Sorry. I'm copying this structure, and first of all this will come over here, and now what will I do is copy this structure, sorry, I'm really sorry. uh, Let me arrange this all. First let me arrange. I would need a time to arrange. I'm coming back after arranging this. Now if you do give it a look, is this possible that a glycosidic bond is being formed? Yes, it is. These are in cross. And that is a thing I'm asking for. I just draw the complete wrong figure to just give you a concept. This is a very important concept. Uh, from this you get clear that the glycoside is formed always, formed in a cross section. The OHR, now you can just do simply, if you do the same thing in the first figure, you will unable. Do give that a look. Now this is the thing. The lactose came first, and that one came second. Now the what will happen is that the first one will give uh, H, and the second one will give OH. Now it will take a minute. Coming back by raising this. Okay, so that bond is gone. Now what will happen is this: the oxygen from the first will come over here. The oxygen will be act as a center atom and binds both hydrogen. And this is how uh, the the link is. You can see that this is C1 and this is C4, right? This is C4. Now hence we say like lactose. Lactose. Lactose is having what sort of bond? It is having uh, beta 1 4 beta 1 4 glycosidic linkage. G dot S dot B. I'm writing again. Glycosidic bond. GB. Okay, so you need to understand this is quite a simple thing, and we cleared the concept like this is not possible over here. This is not possible. Like this cannot share. And this is a thing. This is a lactose structure, and I do hope that you learned it. And if you did, do like the video. Meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.